Hello, my name is Dr. Cheryl, and I'm a certified naturopathic doctor and the founder of the Institute of Naturopathic Wellness. And I want to talk about something that is so important to your health, and that is your blood work. Many of my clients go to their primary care once a year and they get their blood work. But the problem is they may not be getting blood work that is super important for you to be proactive with your health. There are 5 tests that I feel like you should know about and should be able to ask for. The first one, and by the way, don't worry about understanding all of this or even writing it down, because you're going to get an opportunity at the end of this video to actually download a PDF where I have it all written out for you. The first test is your C-reactive protein test. C-reactive proteins, if they are elevated, put you at a much higher risk for stroke and heart attack than cholesterol will ever do. And this actually, these C-reactive proteins are produced in your liver. And if they're elevated, not only does it give you risk for heart disease, but it also affects inflammation throughout the body. So systemically, pain and inflammation, you need to know this factor. The other one, the second one, is a homocysteine test. Homocysteine is actually a marker. When that is elevated, you have a very high risk of stroke, heart attack, even Alzheimer's, and even osteoporosis. And what that measurement actually shows is that you have very low levels of your B vitamins, in particular B6, B12, and folic acid. Now, there are 3 other tests that I want you to ask for, but I'm going to tell you all about them in the PDF. So I want to encourage you to make sure you fill out and download the PDF, and make sure that when you go to your doctor that you feel confident to ask for these tests, because it's super important to be proactive with your health. And this is information that you need to find out. I hope this information has been good for you, and I wish you all the best of health.